How to block multiple contacts at once on Viber. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can block multiple contacts at once on Viber. So firstly, check for updates that may be available for the Viber app. If you see any update option available, click on it to update your app. If not, then go back to your home page and open the Viber app on your device. In Viber, from the bottom panel, tap on the three dot option. On this interface, scroll down and you should see an option called Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy. Now scroll down. Here you will see a block list option. Click on it. To block multiple accounts, tap on Add Number at the top right corner. After that, simply select the account that you would like to block. After you have selected them, then tap on the Done option at the top right corner to save your changes. When you do this, then all these accounts will get blocked at the same time. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.